They say you can give your dog an egg, and they know to be gentle with it.
I heard if you give your dog an egg, it will be gentle. Here, let's see. What are you going to do with it? What are you going to do with it? What are you going to do with it?
We have to do it sooner, Mickey. Let's do it like...
What are you doing? Where are you going? With the egg? Where are you going with the egg?
She's cooking eggs.
I gave it to him.
She cracked it on the pillow.
She didn't crack it. Oh, did you crack it? Did you crack it? Did you? Hey, did you crack it? Did you crack it? Oh my God. Where's the shell? Where's the shell? Where's the shell? Oh, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my God. Houston, we have a problem. I guess that doesn't account for bulldogs. All right, get out of here. Now I gotta clean up this crap.